What's up, everybody? I am on site right now. I have to do a roof repair, but while I was up here inspecting it, I found something else while I was here. Let's take a look. We're gonna pop that out and patch this roof back real quick. Let's go to work. Yes, get real. If you know what that was, you know what it was. If you are not smart enough or responsible enough to not do something like this, you shouldn't own them. This is literally right over the front door of the house that I'm working on. Sorry, I'm a little irritated. Let me know what you need help on next time. Sorry to end this on a sour note.